Hello, I'm Drew Shindell. I'm a professor at Duke University in the United States and chair of the Science Advisory Panel to the Climate and Clean Air Coalition. And I'm here at the Coalition's meeting in Brasilia, where we have been discussing many exciting things, including this afternoon, one atmospheric approach to both science and policy. When you change emissions to the atmosphere, from, say, improving cooking stoves, from changing motor vehicles, from changing power and how we regulate lots of different pollutants, you cannot help but affect both climate and air quality at the same time. Many scientists and policymakers have traditionally looked at these as separate issues, but really it's the same atmosphere. And when you think of how the science works, the same emissions are causing air quality that are affecting climate, and the same impacts are being felt by people. If we reduce methane emissions, something we should do and that this coalition is pushing for, we get benefits both for reduced climate change and for improved air quality. And that's important because people, we go out there, we suffer from extreme heat and we suffer from air pollution, not one or the other. They happen at the same time. And in fact, our bodies get more stressed and more damaged when subject to multiple environmental problems at the same time, which is why we need to take care that we have just one atmosphere. We have to keep it clean. We need it to both give us good air quality and we need reduced climate change. That's what this coalition is about. There's a lot of exciting stuff going on beyond the one atmosphere approach here in Brasilia, and I urge you to look more at what the coalition is doing if you're interested.
Hello, I'm Charlotte Unger. I'm a senior researcher at the Research Institute for Sustainability at GFZ in Potsdam, Germany. I'm a social scientist there. Integrated policymaking for CCAC actually means bringing climate and air quality topics together. But it really goes beyond that. It's not only climate and air quality, it's also health, it's gender. It's still a strong need to integrate social sciences in this, because social sciences are really the sciences that look at who is affected by policy making, who are the people that we need to tackle first, who is suffering most. So this is something what we really, and I think we heard of that a lot today, that there's really many communities that need to be researched, but also looked at and included much more.
Hello, my name is Shonali Pachori. I'm a research group leader in the Energy, Climate and Environment program at the International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis in Austria. This morning, we also had a really exciting panel on looking at gender-responsive strategies in short-lived climate pollutant mitigation. As part of this panel, we started with a keynote, which I had the honor to give, and where we really highlighted why looking at equity and justice issues in designing strategies for short-lived climate pollutant mitigation is important. This is important not only because there are disproportionate impacts on certain vulnerable communities like women and children, but also because we need to have such equity considered policies to really be responsive and to have the most effective options for tackling these issues.